Hey guys, it's Matt from Worship-Based Tutorials. Today we're going to look at Joy to the World by Hillsong. Quick note, the original key for this song is in F. We're actually going to be covering it in D today. This song gets pretty busy towards the end on bass, and that's not really mine or my church's style, so I'm probably not going to play it like that when we actually play it on a Sunday. So feel free to adapt the song to your church's needs. That being said, this tutorial will cover the song exactly as it's played on the original record. This song is really technical and really difficult, especially if you're not used to playing this style. It probably took me anywhere between 50 to 100 times playing through the song until I got it right. So don't be discouraged, just keep practicing. Your fingers are gonna hurt, but eventually you will get it right. So the tone for this song is gonna be really dark with your tone knob most of the way closed. So if I was gonna put a number value on it, it'd be about 2. It'll sound kind of like this. The most consistent groove in the song is going to be during the chorus, so let's cover that really quick. So the very last chorus is where things really start to speed up and get more complicated. So let's cover that really quick. Let me cover that last fill a little slower.
1, 2, 3, 4. Intro. Drums in.